So you can store a lot of heat in this oven, and therefore it can cook for a number of hours. Perlite is mixed with mortar, so there's a layer of insulation that you can't see, and then fire brick. So the fire brick gets, and this is exactly the kind of fire brick that's in there, so it's really quite thick. So the heat from the fire is heating that whole brick up. There's a lot of bricks in there. And when the loaves go in there and they hit that hot fire brick deck, they're going to immediately expand. That's called oven spring. And then they're going to release a lot of moisture, and that moisture will produce steam in that enclosed environment and giving a much more crispy and flavorful crust. So that's what we're trying to do, so you can really do a great job baking. So fire's burnt down, got a bed of coals in here. So I just move those around just to kind of even up the heat. Try to get some of those coals to the front here. And I'm looking in here, and there's no sign of any black carbon anywhere. Everything's burnt off. Probably the temperature in there is somewhere around 800 degrees. That's Fahrenheit. And what I'm looking for is a temperature somewhere around 550 degrees for baking. We're going to have to let that cool down. I'll let those coals sit for a minute, and then I'll rake them out into a wheelbarrow of water. Okay. I want that guy to burn. Well, now that's good. I've got over 600 on the whole arch. This means I have a lot of reflected heat down onto the top. So the tops will certainly be done. And just I gotta check this bottom. Okay at the front. Too hot at the back. Wow. 700 degrees right in the middle at the back. So I'm going to do a little more damp mopping at the back. I'm looking for somewhere around 550. That would be the best temperature if I can get it. You can sort of count how long you can stand it in there. It gives you some temperature indication. The other way of doing it is to take some regular bread flour and just toss it in there, just a little bit like that, and then just watch it and see how quickly that turns black. Too hot. If it slowly turns to a golden brown, you're probably at about the right temperature. So that would burn a loaf of bread pretty darn quickly, so not good. I say it's time to go. Need a little bit of water here, semolina flour. That looks absolutely lovely. You know, there are no shortcuts to this kind of thing. It's slow food. I think I said that once. But yeah, it is absolutely slow food.